Shalom, shalom, it's David, and this exercise is the Kettlebell Gunslinger Hip Airplane. For it, you need a kettlebell. So begin by first finding the gunslinger position, which is kettlebell in the hand, behind the back, bottom of the kettlebell facing forward. We want the kettlebell on the outside of the hip that's going to be stacking on top and coming down. So I'm going to be balanced on my other leg. I'll begin by finding my single leg deadlift position, at which point I can hip airplane by opening the hips and then closing back down. And then come back up with a single leg deadlift. Second side, give you another view. Stable on the leg. Give you the front view. Come down into single leg deadlift. Everything is flat facing the floor. I open up so my hips and chest face the wall on the side, and then I close back down. Use a range you can control and balance. Be patient with this exercise. It takes a long time to get down. And that is the Kettlebell Gunslinger Hip Airplane. Peace.